So, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error message. We detected a suspicious accessibility service installed on your device in the YONO SBI app. This problem usually happens when you have enabled accessibility permissions for third party apps like screen recorders, auto clickers, cleaning apps, or any unknown apps. Now, fix the problem. So, open the Play Store app. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the profile icon. Scroll down and click on Play Protect. Click on Scan, and after scanning, remove all the harmful apps. And after this, at the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. From here, tap on the toggles against both of them to turn it on. Now go back to the home page. Long press on the YONO SBI app. Click on App Info. Now click on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to the previous page and click on Force Stop and open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom tap on the search icon and search for YONO SBI and update it. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.